see together in this lesson how to ask if someone is available. So we can start right now. Look, the first one, would you be free next Wednesday? Seriez-vous libre mercredi prochain? Seriez-vous libre mercredi prochain? Seriez-vous libre mercredi prochain? So you can see that in that case, first I'm using the vous form. So politeness is there. I'm using the conditional form. Seriez, remember, it's the verb to be, être, in the conditional form, okay? And the third thing that you can notice, I guess, I've been changing the order. I've been putting first the verb and after that the subject. So all these three elements make this question extremely polite. Seriez-vous libre mercredi prochain? Will you be free next Wednesday? Serez-vous libre mercredi prochain? Serez-vous libre mercredi prochain? Serez-vous libre mercredi prochain? So as you can see in that situation, well, first I'm using the vous. I'm not putting the conditional, but I'm putting the future tense. Serez, will you be? Hein? So, and then, well, I'm just changing the order. It makes this question a bit more practical. It's really, really polite, no problem. But you want to make sure that this person will be free next Wednesday. You want to be sure about that. Third option, are you free next Wednesday? Êtes-vous libre mercredi prochain? Êtes-vous libre mercredi prochain? Êtes-vous libre mercredi prochain? This is really interesting because you can see that in French, like in other languages, not all of them, but still it's possible to use the present when we talk about the future. Obviously, it's not possible to use the present for something that will happen in 1 year, for instance, or in 10 years. It would be extremely strange. But, I mean, next week, it's still possible to use this present. By using the present, it's even more certain because, I mean, in our mind, the present indicates what is happening for sure. Okay, so, êtes-vous libre mercredi prochain? Are you free next Wednesday? Vous êtes libre mercredi prochain? Vous êtes libre mercredi prochain? Vous êtes libre mercredi prochain? So same thing here, you can see that I'm still using the present, but I'm keeping the same order. So I'm keeping the regular order, subject, verb. This one is less formal for sure, but still I'm using the vous, so it's quite polite. Are you free next Wednesday? Tu es libre mercredi prochain? Tu es libre mercredi prochain? Tu es libre mercredi prochain? So in that case, let's keep in mind we're using the tu, so it means that you know this person, I mean, quite well, whether a colleague, whether a friend, whether a family member. So it's really somebody that you know quite well because you're using this tu form, and then because you are using this tu form, you want to be polite, but still it's possible to use the present, so tu es, okay? And the last one, are you available next Wednesday? Tu es disponible mercredi prochain? It's just another option instead of libre, just to give you this disponible option. Tu es disponible mercredi prochain. Tu es disponible mercredi prochain? Voilà, merci beaucoup.